Is your garage door refusing to close despite seemingly aligned sensors? You're not alone in this struggle. Many homeowners encounter this disheartening issue due to sensor obstruction or miswiring. Let's explore the solutions together. Garage door sensors serve a crucial safety function, preventing harm to objects, pets, and people in their path. Even if sensors appear aligned, dust and debris can obstruct their infrared beams, leading to malfunction. Simply wiping down the sensors might just solve the closing issue, so don't overlook this essential step. Loose or damaged wiring is another culprit in garage door failures. Inspection can reveal hidden issues. Ensure wires are intact and fully connected. Any fraying or disconnection can lead to frustrating door behaviors. Sunlight interference is more common than you think. Bright light can confuse sensors, keeping your door ajar. Adjusting sensor positions or installing shields can effectively combat this common problem and enhance functionality. If these troubleshooting steps fail, calling a professional ensures safe, efficient repairs. Don't let a faulty opener linger.